Today we are making kachumbari, a simple and refreshing tomato onion salad. But as we prepare this dish, let's remember the principle of avoiding spices. As cancelled, condiments and spices irritate the stomach and make the blood feverish and impure. This is from the book Counsels for the Church, 223, paragraph 7. In this salad, we embrace the natural flavors of vegetables, enhancing them with fresh lemon juice and olive oil instead of spices that can disrupt digestion and inflame the system.